Hello, this is Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness, and this is the Publish and Submit video for eLumen Program Review Year 5 Update for Student Services with Courses. You already know now how to access and log into eLumen, ensuring your role as department coordinator is selected, and you've selected and identified the appropriate program or unit for student services that has courses attached. You've accessed your instructional units template for your student services program or unit with courses. You should have already viewed the two videos on Section 3, Assessment Update and CSLO Assessment Effectiveness, and Section 4, Course Outline of Records Update. After watching those videos, completing those sections, and saving those drafts for discussion with your program or unit dean or manager, you are now ready to finalize it for submission. To do so, use the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen. Scroll down to the bottom of your instructional Year 5 template for your student service program or unit with courses. Please note you cannot submit resource allocation requests in eLumen at this time. Please visit the College Business Services Office website and or the SGC website for information on our resource allocation process, forms, and the budget request database. Now we are ready to submit our program review. For sections 3 and 4 for instructional units template, for those student services with courses attached. To publish this and finalize it, in essence, you want to select this button that appears up at the top that says Publish All. If you select Save All as Draft, it will just save everything you have done as a draft. When you are ready to submit, you want to select Publish All. After you select Publish All, a green button will appear at the bottom of the screen. It says Your Program Review has been successfully published. You can download a copy of your report by scrolling back up to the top of your template. The right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a download, a PDF icon, and a link stating Strategic Initiative Report. You can click on this link and it will bring up your instructional units Year 5 update for your student service program or unit with courses attached. You select Print. You can either save it to your computer as a PDF or you can print it. After you've either clicked Save or Print, you're done. You can select the back button, and this will take you back to your eLumen Year 5 update template for those student services with courses attached. For any questions or issues for your student services program or unit with courses attached, please feel free to contact me via email at brobertson@losmedanos.edu.